Hey guys, we're at the track. We're gonna get some testing in today for the first time with this truck. Just getting her offloaded now. And we got a couple hours of a private session available to us, and then you're gonna test it too tonight. So the track's gonna go to hell pretty quick. But we're gonna see what kind of passes we can make today. And should be a good time.
Apparently.
My hard hat's getting washed.
Bet you that's the first time.
All right, we're just about ready to make a pass. Ice in the tank, fuel in the tank. And inside here, one small problem I had was I tried to get my buttons working, and the two-step works off of that red button, but the trans brake, for whatever reason, it's software related. I can't seem to get the trans brake to work, so I had to quickly cut the wires and wire up a toggle switch right here. I do plan on first hit out, I think I'm just gonna leave on nothing, like no RPM. I'm just gonna punch it and see what happens. Everything goes well, I'll come back, and then I might try to launch it, but I gotta use two hands now. One hand to hold the button, the other hand to hold the switch, and I basically gotta release them at the same time. But let's start with baby steps, and we're gonna do just an easy launch first time out, just on wastegate, and see what this thing will do on its lowest setting. Hopefully I don't chicken foot it. It's a little scary to drive in the street. We'll see what it's like on the track. But I'm gonna get suited up and get to the line. know if it was spinning or not. I felt like I was kind of skating all over the place. I let off once, got back in it. Pretty sure that was the fastest pass of my life, and that was on its lowest setting. I left on no boost and let off at one point. I haven't even looked at the slip yet. At 134, a 1960 foot. So I left on nothing and still did a 10.8. We're going 9s today, no problem. I hit the rev limiter, okay, and then I let off at one point because I felt it going like this, and I didn't know if it was spinning or what. I don't think it was spinning. I think that's the way slicks are, but.
What'd you end up with?
10.8.
I was gonna say.
So we're gonna get this turned around pretty quick. I'm gonna do it again. Because we're going 9s tonight, I know it. But yeah, didn't even turn the intercooler on. I'm an idiot.
I was gonna say a 10.8, barely in it.
I think I need more wheel speed to burnout too.
Yeah.
That was first gear, and as soon as I let off, it cracked. Like.
That's crazy. Yeah, I saw it. Like I got a good video of you taking off.
Yeah, like that was a first gear burnout.
Yeah.
I mean, the first burnout this truck's ever done. So,
exactly.
Probably shifts in a second.
I didn't get the burnout very well because there's too many people in the way, but I'll get the next one.
So this time, I'm going to turn the intercooler on. I'm not going to hit the rev limiter. I'm not going to let off unless I feel like my life is danger. Still going to leave the CO2 off, so the most I'm going to see is wastegate. Because that whole run is on wastegate. So that's 6 pounds. And I might leave with some RPM this time. Like I might try to launch it with my double switching kind of ghetto rig up I got going on right now. I might try and launch it. And there's a chance it's going to be a low 10. It'll be a low 10. ready for that launch. Wow. This thing's an animal. Where's my snap? Same mile an hour, basically. 1,560 are just discussing what the next pass should look like. Big block noise. So right now, the two passes that I've made have both been with bottle off. Launching is tricky because I'm trying to do it with two hands, and I almost have to take my hands off the wheel when I'm launching. I think I could do it another way where I don't, but I really want to turn the bottle on. Now, if I turn the bottle on and try to use the two-step to launch it, I don't know if I have it set up correctly because I'm not that good with the Holley parameters yet. I don't want to leave. Like the truck's gonna make 15 pounds of boost. That's what we have it set at, is 15 pounds of boost. But I don't want to leave the line at 15 pounds of boost. I might do a quick check right now in the laptop and see if I can make it so I can leave on wastegate. If I can leave on 6 pounds and then ramp it in, that would be cool. If not, then I'm thinking I might turn the bottle on and I just won't sit there for very long. I'll just give it a little bit of RPM and then leave. That way it can't make 15 pounds of boost at the line. Because there's a roll racing event tomorrow that I want to compete in. So I'm not worried about launching it for that event. What I am worried about is how it's going to handle going a higher mile an hour with a lot of horsepower. So I think I should be getting used to right now, today, is getting used to running this thing on 15 pounds of boost to see how this thing dances around and not focus so much on my launches right now. I'm saying this, but I feel like when I get to the line, I'm gonna feel different and do something stupid. I'm gonna take a quick look in the computer and see if I can set it up where I know for sure it'll leave on 6 pounds, but if I can't figure it out, then I'm just gonna leave the line easy, but come in hard with the boost. So that's the plan. We'll see what I end up doing, but we're gonna give the truck a chance to cool down, and then we're gonna get back up at the line and make another pass. That's fast, yes.
Holy shit. That was 15 pounds of boost, all right.
946.
Thanks, brother. Wow. pedaling. 946 pedaling. 1 360 foot. It's third pass ever. Third pass ever. 145 miles an hour. Oh, I just gotta learn to stay in it. Wow. I love this truck. Definitely need alignment. I align this thing front and back just with a measuring tape. Maybe that's why I'm kind of skating all over the place. It likes to keep going left. I'm like fighting. That's why I'm letting off, because I'm fighting it to keep it back straight. So I definitely gotta book this thing in for an alignment. My transmission temperature gauge seems to have crapped out, so I have no idea how hot my tranny is now. That's unfortunate.
This way, you would either bring that out so you would lengthen it a little bit, right? Or you can shorten this one. Typically speaking, you want to run forward. If you have to put more than one turn in that top bar, then you want to neutral it again and make your adjustment on the bottom. The bottom on that side has more inclination to move the rear end. The top one's for like a fine adjustment. You feel like I should get that turn. I think the bottom one, I'd probably put one full turn to lengthen it to start, because this thing was forward left like working. I could see as soon as you got on the power, it was driving you over.
Oh, he felt it.
And then I don't know, I think your anti-roll bar is set right, because I didn't really see a lot of
The
twists.
anti-robo is just neutral. Like
Yeah.
everything's neutral. Even my shocks,
Yeah.
I've got them
In the middle setting.
like.
So as the evening progressed, the little changes that we made didn't seem to be working, and I had made a handful of test passes that I all had to abort because, as you can see, the truck keeps going left. The track started to go away. Again, truck's going left. And then I started fighting traction issues. These testing two nights, they stopped spraying glue, and no matter how much power I took out of it, it just wouldn't hook. And then it just got sketchy enough where I said, that's enough. And pretty much that was our night. Loaded it on the trailer and headed home for the night.
All right, it's day 2 at Toronto Motorsports Park. We're here for Race Wars today. We're gonna be doing some roll racing. Yesterday's test session basically just became useless by the end of the night. All the street cars were there for the test and tune. The track went away. I couldn't even make it down the track on wastegate without spinning and going sideways, whatever. So yesterday turned into a wash, but we're back today for roll racing. I turned the truck back up, a little higher than yesterday. Definitely have some alignment problems, so we'll see how this goes. But yeah, we're gonna go and get in line right now. Cars are already starting to line up. Truck's out here soaking up the shade. But it's happening. that sucks. That sucks. I don't know what we broke, but I got no gears. That's a quick day. Yep. Yeah, thanks. Well, the drive shaft's not hanging, so it's either rear end or tranny.
Too bad don't move. That's not good.
I'm in fourth gear right now. Do I have reverse? Yeah. Reverse?
You got nothing, dude.
There you go.
Yeah, I'd say.
Oh yeah, she broke.
Tranny broke?
Oh yeah. When I was first race, freaking.
I saw you rolled up.
As soon as I hit third gear, just wing. Maxed out.
It's just sick. I like seeing like older stuff. Just see how it was built.
It's unique. Windshield crank sound.
Oh wow.
That's your air
It's
conditioning.
like a VW.
Well guys, our day is done already. Definitely hurt the tranny, just got a bunch of neutrals. So we didn't even get to make a full pass, did we?
Yeah. Short day, man.
It left hard, but as soon as I hit third gear, that was it. And I am extremely disappointed because that thing was hauling, and I didn't mention it, but I turned it up more than what we were playing with last night. Last night we hit 15 pounds. I added about 3 more pounds to 18. And I don't know if that's what did it in. The transmission was supposed to have been built to handle like 1,500 horse, and I know we're not making anywhere near that. So for it to break already, like it broke on the shift, it's really disappointing. But now, like, I didn't even make a full pass in this event, which sucked. But we're gonna make the best of it. We're gonna walk around. We're gonna watch everyone else race. There's some drifting going on. We'll see what happens. We're gonna have some fun. But we gotta get the truck back home. And I guess we're pulling a tranny. So we're gonna walk around, have some fun, meet some people. But the truck is done for today, guys. But that's it. We'll see you guys later.